Hi and welcome to Moonworkers. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create your organization chart. This is very convenient because you can group your employees into departments. So for example, you can see whether these 3 employees are part of a specific team and how much they cost you within reports. It's also very convenient when creating rotations within your teams, and it's also very convenient to find some specific worker groups. To find organization chart, you have to click on HR here and then on teams. So let's create a team. You click on that button here, and so let's say this team is a management team. Sophie is the director of the company and she has 2 co-founders, for example. Click on next. And that team is created. And now you can create a child team. So for example, you have a marketing team. And then let's say Holly is the marketing manager and James is a marketer. So now you have created a child team. But you can also create a team at the same level as the management team. Let's call it Team B. And then Robert is the manager and Nicola is another team member. And now you have created a team which is at the same level in your hierarchy as the management team. And so now you can see that these employees have been affected to teams and departments, and it's very convenient because in a very easy and efficient way you can find out who's James' manager. So we know that it's Holly, she's part of the marketing team. And also when you process payroll, you can also see those categories. So it's very convenient to see in which buckets your expenditures are.